I'm Lorelai and this is George, and today we are going to be making Play-Doh. 2 reasons. One is because we're still in lockdown and we're getting pretty bored, so we thought we'd make some Play-Doh, and yeah. The second reason is because some Play-Doh has gluten in it. Hi, today we're making Play-Doh. Blah, blah, blah. The first thing we've got to do is get half a cup of water in this pan and a 1/4 cup of salt. It's not half a cup. The blue one's a half cup. Oh, yes. And 1/4 cup of salt.
Any kind of salt?
Any kind of salt.
Himalayan pink salt?
No, you don't have to use expensive salt, but I would prefer to use fine salt. Now we have to warm the salt and the water up until the salt is dissolved, because if you have big chunks of salt in it, you would have to melt it because your Play-Doh will get grainy and it doesn't feel nice at all. Okay, so our salt is dissolved and now we have to put in the rest of our ingredients. Firstly, we put in half a teaspoon of olive oil. And now we have to put in 1/4 cup of rice flour.
George, can you tell us about if we change out these ingredients, what happens in your experience?
If you change out anything, it goes like really gummy and like it's hard.
How do you know that, George?
Because we tested it about 10 times.
And what were the results? Bad if you change the flours?
Bad.
What
Yeah,
flours did you try using that didn't?
We used potato starch instead of cornstarch. Yeah, we used tapioca instead of corn.
And did that work?
No. We'll put the proper recipe in the description below. Next, we have to put in a 1/4 cup of corn flour. Okay, our corn flour is in. Next, we put in 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Tartar. This is the finished product, and now we're just going to pour it onto this plate. This is going to be very hot, so I would advise you to let it cool completely until colouring it and storing it in a plastic bag. Our Play-Doh is chilled, and now all we have to do is colour them. We've picked 4 colours, and we are going to split this into quarters. Now, how about you pick 2 of the colours, yeah? Those 2, and now do these 2. Now first, you want to flatten them out and then grab some of your food colouring, we're using gel, and squeeze only a few drops. Oh, that's probably enough. And keep moulding it until you've got it all the colour you want. If you're using liquid food colouring, I would add it to the pan while you're making it and it's on the heat. What's that noise? I hear a cat meowing. I think it's
a child.
Really? I like how this food colouring doesn't like stain.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, you can just wash it off. Oh no, last time we used this food colouring, it stained. It might be like the Play-Doh or something. Have we used this before? No. Anyway, if you don't actually have to mix it all the way in, because when you play with it, you're going to just keep mixing it anyway.
That's true. What are you going to make first?
Something. The red is the one that's stained. Oh no. I thought it was
The red's the one that's stained.
Was the red one that didn't work very well?
Yeah. No, it was the purple one. The purple one looked a bit more like dark blue. So it's finished and now we can make whatever we want. This actually used to be a really disgusting red, but we added some brown and now it's turned back into a brown. So
What are you going to make, George?
you wish you had blue eyes instead of brown ones.
I'll put it in the fridge.
Okay, get like 4. They're gonna mush together into like one rainbow. Yeah.
That's so bad.
That would be cool if it was a rainbow. To store it, you can put it in a plastic sealable bag, Or if you're a plastic-free family, you can put it in a Tupperware container, and I would store it in a fridge.
Tupperware is made of like plastic.
Oh, I mean hard plastic.
Bag.
What are you making?
I'm gonna make something. Da 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 da. Do you know what it is?
Yes.
What is it?
I don't want to answer that question.
Okay. There's a roll. What are you doing?
There's a rolling pin.
Take away that. No.
You should have gone classic emoji.
Oh yeah, I'm doing that.
Found this. Don't know what it does.
That's a cake spreader, George.
What's a cake? You can't spread cake.
I mean, that's a icing
It's not
spreader.
like you can spread cake on toast or something.
Oh.
Liquid cake would be good.
This for some reason reminds me of a snail that like lives in the Great Barrier Reef and has a giant mouth that swallows the fish whole. Oh no, horrible. I'm still not a fan of it.
It might swallow your leg when you're in the ocean.
Shush.
What have you got, Lauren?
Nothing.
It looks
Dun,
You have
dun,
20 seconds. What is it, Lauren?
poo.
I didn't get to finish it in time. A flat piece of Play-Doh in a bag.
Yeah.
Bye.
See you next time.
I will put this here. I'm going to